Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to my weekly Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are simple, fun, and easy to recreate. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. Hello my friends! In this video I'm going to focus my attention on a host stamp set called A Merry Hello. First of all, you're going to notice that it is not Monday today, and I got behind with my editing. Although the crafting and the videoing was done, I just couldn't get my stuff together enough to get this video out on Monday. So I do apologize for the confusion. However, you're going to get a simple card today, no matter what day it is. So this is a Whisper White thick card base. I'm using Memento Tuxedo Black ink, and I am using, as I said, the A Merry Hello host stamp set. Now, this is on page 81 of the August to December mini catalog, which is also our holiday catalog, if you will. And you can only get this when you are a host and your sales of a party gets over $200 Canadian, or you have a purchase of yourself of $200 or more. You can get this for like with your Stampin' Rewards. So this is a super cute little stamp set. It does have a lot of beautiful sentiments. And as you saw, I had bent the straight sentiment that says it's the best time of year. I sort of twisted that so that it went along with the swoop of the stocking holder that's holding the stockings. And a lovely lady, I can't remember her name, but she told me that the tops of the socks are called cuffs. So I forgot about that. All right. I ended up using Memento Tuxedo Black ink because it was a photopolymer stamp set and I did not want to stain my stamps. Normally, I like to use StazOn ink, which is a solvent ink, and I am able to watercolor over top of that with water. And you can with Memento Tuxedo Black ink, like I am doing here, but I did have to wait a minute or so for it to dry. So I used my Stampin' Up! Watercolor pencils to color these stockings in. And like at any time of coloring, you're more than welcome to color whatever color you want or you have. If all you had was blends markers, then I would use a separate Whisper White stamping weight paper, and then I would adhere that quarter panel to your thick card base. With this, I'm able to, it's like a flat card. It is just flat. It is one piece of paper, single layer, and I'm using whatever colors that I enjoyed. It's a water painter that I'm using. I'm using the smallest tipped one. There's 3 different sizes in our new water painters. You'll find them in the annual catalog, but they're very nice. They're really high quality. I enjoy these a lot. I forgot I had them actually. That's how much stuff I have. Shh. All right, that is my card for today. Thank you so very much for joining me. I will catch you again on a Monday simple stamping video. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.